Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines here at Proformance Unlimited. Another one of our badass Godzilla engines. Hey, listen, what do I always tell you? You know what? Before I tell you the proof is in the performance, yes, but also, look at this badass, beautiful motor. Custom painted black. We're going to put the rest of the accessories on. Going to get coil covers on it. This is a nice, beautiful stack by InnoV8. So again, here at Performance, it's one at a time. You order, we build. We are backed up a little bit as always, but again, we produce each and every engine that we sell. And we do a kick-ass job. Customers love us. And again, if you want anything, give me a call. Peace. All right, good morning, everybody. First, I want to thank the boys at yourdyno.com. If you need any kind of dynoing, these are the boys you want to call to get a dyno. We got a beautiful dyno up and running here now, and we're very happy. All right, Jason, we're on our third pull on your Ford F100. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo.